Let's look a little bit more about question words. So question words are actually used in much the same way as in English too. So in the sentences we use almost in the same way, but also the question words. So let's look at an example. So this is a question, remember? Hoe heet je? Which means what's your name? So the question word here is hoe. So that's also in the beginning of the sentence. Waar kom je vandaan? Which means where are you from? You see, in English we start with where. In Dutch we start with a word that is quite similar, and it's waar. Waar kom je vandaan? If we talk about how long are you staying, the word how long, the question how long, is in the beginning of the sentence. That is the same as in Dutch. We say, hoe lang blijf je? Hoe lang blijf je? Then, for example, when you want to know who are you, so there we see who in the beginning. In Dutch it's the same. We start with wie. Wie ben jij? So you see, the sentences and the question words are not that different from English.